This long highway, who pioneered it? These endless lines, who laid them? This earth, who moved it? These stones, who turned them? That bridge across the river, who built it? This skyline, who dreamed it? You did. This industry, this progress, this architecture, these strong foundations, these roots, whose are these? They are yours. These are the giant steps in which we stand. This is our inheritance. This pick, this shovel, this clear-eyed determination, this freedom, this future, it is yours. To the movers and shakers, to the bold and fearless, to the earth movers, rip it up and start again. Be a wrecking ball. Break new ground.